Hi everyone, Jack from WorkPerfect here. Just going to show you a quick tip on how to clean up your Monday account and search through any inactive boards, workspaces, docs, or dashboards. So to do that, we're going to want to go to the content directory. To get there, we click on the icon on the bottom left, we go to administration once again, and we come to the content directory. So we can see the content directory. The content directory is a list of every workspace, every board, every dashboard, and every work doc on the account. It's broken up by workspaces, so it's easy to see. And one of the great features of the content directory is the last updated column. In the last updated column, we can look at every board, every workspace, every dashboard, and see when the last update was made. This allows us to go through, see which boards are inactive and which are not, and we can either reach out to the person who built the board, make sure it's necessary, or delete it ourselves. So there are two options when we get to deleting. We can click on a board, we come to the specific board here, and we can either do two things. We can delete a board. This will mean it's accessible for the next 30 days in our trash bin, or we can archive it. To access our archive, we're going to come over here, and we can either look in the archive and unarchive something, or look in the trash and reintroduce it into the account if it's within 30 days of deletion. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.